Good evening to all present here at the webinar. I hope you are doing good and you are having an amazing Sunday. And to make your Sunday better, we three are here. So, yeah, keep intact, webinar देखते रहिए and we'll just start. So, cool. But before we start, like हम लोग start करें उससे पहले, I just need to mention one or two things. If you have any doubts, अगर आपको कोई भी doubts आते हैं during the webinar, if you have any questions, आपको कोई भी questions हैं हमारे speakers के लिए, so you can feel free and आप Facebook या Airmeet, अगर आप Facebook से देख रहे हैं तो वहाँ, अगर आप Airmeet पे देख रहे हैं तो यहाँ आप अपने question type कर सकते हैं and towards the later end of the webinar हम आपके questions जरूर address करेंगे. So looking forward to have a great interactive session. So let's begin. I'm pretty sure as soon as vacations start, as soon as हमें पता चलता है कि हमारे academic session में एक छोटा सा break है, हमें पता चलता है that we have a lot of free time, maybe because of COVID, maybe because of summer vacation, Diwali vacation. We have one question in mind, one common question. Okay, other than हम छुट्टी पे कहाँ जा रहे हैं, that question is क्या हम internship कर लें क्या, या should we invest our time to join a company and learn something new. Maybe a question that can come in is हम कोई नई skill सीख लें क्या. And to answer all your questions and to get that set ready, today's webinar is going to talk about internship, the first step towards career planning. And to do that, we have an amazing panel. We have Dr. Manish Sharma, CEO, Geo Engineering Services, also an ex-NCC cadet, Air Wing cadet from Gujarat Directorate. He is an assessor with NABL across India. We have Vindhya Kumar. Vindhya Kumar is an engagement associate with a company known as Walnut Knowledge Solution. Vindhya is also a cadet trainer with NCC Expa India and is also an ex-NCC cadet from Karnataka and Goa Directorate. And you have me. I'm Sahil Jackson. I'm pursuing my master's in human resource management. And I'm also a cadet trainer with NCC Expa India since 2017. So let's begin. You know, when we put out our registration links to all of you, when you were registering for the webinar, we had few questions written. We had number of questions. Like the first question जो हमने पूछा था, वो था, why do you do internship? Internship आप क्यों करते हैं? And we had an amazing response for that. So the response was as follows: 65% of you said that you do internship to learn new skills. आप कुछ नया सीखने के लिए internship करते हैं. 28.5% of you said that आप internship करते हैं to gain experience. आप experience gain करने के लिए internship करते हैं. 6.2% of you said that you do internship for certificate. So, आप में से 6% लोग मानते हैं कि सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाए हम इंटर्नशिप उसके लिए करेंगे. हाँ, so that's a good poll to talk about. So, Vindhya, hey.
Hey, hi. So sorry, can you hear me? My video just switched off. I'm just working on that. It's refreshing. Right. So to answer your question though, in the meantime, I think that we should do internships. For the following reasons, right? One is that, of course, it looks great on CV. It looks amazing on your CV. The more experience you have, the better it is. The better your portfolio looks like, right? So that is something that I would say the number one reason with that most people do internships, right? But apart from that, a different kind of reason that I would say is because internships are usually done in college. Like typically they're mostly done in college. And when you're in college, at least this was my case, it seems to be that it seemed to me that there was so many, like I had the most difficult time, that it's the time of hardships and all, but that is not really the truth, right? You have so much time, and also that it is the perfect time to explore, to look for things that you've never done before, right? So that is one of the reasons why I think doing internships is great. Hey Sahil, just give me a minute while I refresh this. Until then, if you guys could just keep it going, I'll be right back in a minute. Yeah, is that okay?
Right. Hey, so yeah, like Vindhya was saying, Vindhya ने जैसे कहा internships हम करते हैं to explore new grounds. We want to see कि हम क्या सीख सकते हैं. We want to see कि companies कैसे function करती है. We want to explore what we can do, right? So internships is a lot more than just going to a company and doing a work for, let's say, 2 or 3 months. Manish sir here is an employer himself. Manish sir is a CEO of a company. वो खुद हम जैसे बच्चों को internship देते हैं. So Manish sir, you would have a different perspective to internship. आप क्या सोचते हैं internship क्यों करना चाहिए?
No, exactly. Internship is obviously first step of career planning. I'll tell you that internship can provide you experience, exposure as well. Opportunity, different type of opportunity, learning habits develop करता है. It gives the experience of your field and out of the field. Whatever you're not covered in your education, you can able to explore what all different things are going on. आपके career में कि आपके subject में कि आपके field में जो theory आप पढ़ते हैं उससे काफी कुछ अलग होता है field में. So all that exposure you get, so very good to have internship. Always need for that. Again, I'll tell you there some more points that you get connected and develop your network by doing internship within your community, within your professional skills. It again helps your CV to improve your CV for better jobs. And I'll tell you, it's a transition from college life to practical life. If I'll tell you in one line why internship is required, then it is a transition phase from college life to the practical. It makes you a habit of that.
Right.
Yeah.
Hey, so I'm so sorry because I dropped off. I would like to add just a few things that I wanted to say before that. Right. So I think as Manish sir was saying about exploring, about looking at different things, I also believe that it is the first step to plan your career. Right. Let me give you some examples. Right. So some things that I did my internships in are I did content writing, I did video making, I did research, like academic research internship. I did one internship on social work as well. And then there was one internship on event planning, and one very interesting internship, although it did not turn out to be completely, something that I really liked, is being a producer for a radio, like an online radio station. Right. So these are the different kinds of internship that I did during my years in college. And I would like to say that even though these internships gave me a lot of experience and a lot of skills to pick up on, but they also taught me what I liked doing and what I am good at doing. Right. So, for example, like I said, I was not really a good producer for a radio show. I realized that only after I got that experience in a while doing the internship. But I also did a small internship with an NGO where I got to interact with kids, where I got to teach 8th standard students English. Right. So that is something I really liked, and I thought I enjoyed doing it. I was maybe okay at it as well. So that is something, doing internships will teach you, or will help you figure out, because it's never too early to start planning your career. Right. So yeah, that is one of the reasons why I think we should be doing internships during college.
One most important thing I forgot to tell कि इंटर्नशिप से आपको एक डर निकल जाता है कि आप जब कॉलेज लाइफ से प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में जब जॉब में जाते हैं तो एक डर रहता है, तो ये इंटर्नशिप आपको डर निकाल देता है. So this is the most positive thing about internship.
एब्सोल्युटली सर. मैं तो कॉलेज में बहुत इनसिक्योर हुआ करती थी, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था, पर इंटर्नशिप्स करने से मुझे लगा कि हे मैन, आई कैन डू दिस एज वेल, राइट? आई हैव डन समथिंग वर्थवाइल विथ माय टाइम, and it also kind of reduces the time where that I spent overthinking about stuff, which I think in college it's a very common thing. So yeah, absolutely, that is something I completely agree with.
So yeah, like Manish sir said, Vidya said, internship से मेरा भी डर निकला, काफी exposure भी मिला. So during the internship, during my graduation, I did an internship because I wanted to know what I'm good at. मुझे नहीं पता था कि when I was doing BBA, I didn't know if I was good at marketing or finance or HR maybe. So what I did was I did multiple internships. So I was doing multiple internship at that time. First, I took an internship of 1 month in a marketing firm, and I then realized that okay, marketing is very interesting. Then I took internship in some other firm which was HR based, and that HR based firm made me realize that how HR is for me. Like I really like HR. So that way I started doing internship in HR. During the whole course of 3 years, I've done around 6 internships now. So let's say just 1 year में 2 कर लेता हूँ. And I've learned so much about HR during internship. And one more added advantage that I got when मुझे अलग से सीखने मिला were the applications that I was learning. जैसे Excel मुझे आता था, but not very well. So I learned advanced Excel during an internship in a corporate company. Then I was doing an internship in a rural area. रूरल एरिया में वहां पे मुझे लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करने मिला. आई गॉट टू इंटरेक्ट विद पीपल हु कमिंग फ्रॉम रूरल बैकग्राउंड. दैट वे आई केम टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर पर्सपेक्टिव टू लाइफ. So that was a skill that I developed. Acha, how to talk to them. Then there was, now that I'm doing an internship in an NGO, I'm learning an platform which is known as Salesforce. Salesforce, you know, so anywhere you go outside, you will see that these courses would cost you anywhere between 500 to 5,000 rupees. Excel सीखना हो, MailChimp सीखना हो, Salesforce सीखना हो, and you are getting that for free. So why not do an internship to learn new things? That is my perspective to it. So yeah, but there's only one thing. We aren't paid that much during internship. So that comes with a little bit of ya karu ya na karu. So I want to ask you all, like all of the audience on the air meet, that is it worth doing internship even if you are not being paid? So you have a poll on your screens. You can just answer in yes or no. Is it worth doing internship even if you are not paid? So by the time the poll comes in, what do you suggest, Manish sir?
No, you should never think of the money. This is not a stage in your life that where you think of money. It's startup or stage. So you create a habit of learning it first of all. Money will come automatically. Okay, so I'll tell you, you should not think of any money, what you are getting or not. So here I need to that don't think of the money first. To keep in your mind from the first day. You just throw this feeling from you. Okay, if you go on thinking of the money every time, it will bring a pause in your life. एक रुकावट बन जाएगी. You're not able to explore many things or smaller things or whatever. It should be associated with your career and job. So it will create a pause in your learning process. So never ever think of the money. Don't link money with the intention.
Hey, I also would like to say that जैसे कि ये म्यूचुअल फंड्स के एड्स आते हैं ना, internships without being paid, right? I think you should look at them as an investment into your career. So when you start off doing internships, maybe it does not pay you immediately कि इतना काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन कुछ पैसे नहीं आ रहे हैं. That's fine because you, like all the points that we mentioned earlier, it builds your CV and your career so that later in life you get a better paying job. So I think it makes up for the fact that you don't get paid as interns, because internship pays you, like you said, with skills and experiences, right? So that is my view.
Exactly.
It's like an investment of sorts.
And like the
Exactly.
poll
It
is
is paying you
suggesting,
indirectly.
yes, sir. So, like the poll is suggesting, 79% of the people in the audience say that yes, internship kar lena chahiye, paise mile na mile. So we should do an internship without being paid. So yeah, I guess all of you stick आप मान रहे हैं, मतलब आप उससे agree करते हैं जो मनीष सर एंड विद्या ने कहा. And yes, to sum it up, इंटर्नशिप शायद अभी आपको पैसे ना दे जैसे मनीष सर और विद्या ने कहा, बट मे बी दैट एक्सपीरियंस वुड हेल्प यू अर्न लेटर. उसका रिटर्न बाद में मिलेगा. सो थोड़ा टाइम अपनी क्या बोलते हैं कुर्सी की पेटी बांध के रखिए, काम करते रहिए, एंड मे बी उसका रिटर्न आपको जल्द मिलेगा. सो दैट इज अबाउट इट. यस, राइट. But Manish sir, we also did a poll to ask like our audience, our respondents, if they should do an internship in a big company or in a small company. Like, you know, a big company has a name to offer. एक बड़ी कंपनी आज जब आप ज्वाइन करते हैं तो आपके पास एक सीवी में दिखता है, हाँ मैंने इस टाटा में काम किया, हमने रिलायंस में काम किया, हमने दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी में काम किया. बट मे बी we'll get only one job to do, data entry maybe of that sort. And then हम छोटी कंपनी ज्वाइन करते हैं और छोटी कंपनी में हमें बहुत सारे काम सीखने मिल जाते हैं. तो हमने उसका पोल किया था एंड उसका रिजल्ट था 62% of the audience say that we should do internship in a small company with more exposure, and 38% people said that we should do internship in a big company for a better name. So Manish sir, what do you suggest? आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
I'll sum up in one line only. If you want to be an entrepreneur in your life, then start from the small. You gain experience in each and every field, in each and every aspect of your subject. If you are joining internship in a big company, then you are limited to some certain work and certain specialization. You don't know anything about around that. So it is up to you whether you want to become an entrepreneur in your life or want to get a good job and settle as a peaceful life. It is up to individual. So we can't debate on this. So leave it to the candidate what they think. But my suggestion is always small companies better, so that you can have each and every exposure, because you have to do lot many things, which is of not your specialization, but is linked with your specialization. So you get the experience to learn more and more and more. So always small company internship is much more better than the bigger company, according to me.
Hey, if I can just add on to Manish sir's point over here, I think that why not do both, right? So you can start off by gaining experience from a smaller company, but then 3 साल है ना college में, so I think you can definitely try to, try hand at both, because you never know what you fit into, right? So if you want to get a taste of the corporate culture and working in a strict hierarchy, right, then I think and if you're looking at a job like that, so let's say somebody is doing engineering and they will end up in a job that requires them to work in a corporate setup, right? So then I think doing an internship in a big company that allows you to experience that sort of a thing is helpful, क्योंकि तब हमको पता चलेगा कि हमको ये सूट करता है या नहीं, right? So I think that is one good thing about doing an internship in a big company, whether you just like the experience or not. But otherwise, it's extremely, I work in a startup, so I know what working in a small company feels like. There are a lot of advantages to it. And absolutely, like Manish sir said, बहुत सारे areas of the company में, like there's operations, there's finance, there's there's sales, So you can try your hand at all of these things in a smaller company. So that's where I would leave this at.
I would rate that.
I have I have the live example of myself. During studies, I used to work in a company. There, I never asked for any job, means specialization field where I had to work. Whatever they gave me, I did the work. I even traveled with the laborers, did work with them, laborers work, stayed with them, and now sitting at the entrepreneur position, I can guide my employees and I can see where my organization is going because I know the in and outs of each and everything about my profile. So it helps, always helps for the entrepreneur.
Right, sir. So I would totally agree with that, what you said, because during the time when I'm still doing an internship in an international NGO, actually two of them, one of them being Expa. So when we are working, we learn a lot of things. मुझे social media इतना अच्छे से use करना नहीं आता था, maybe Instagram and Facebook. But what happened was, while working with an NGO, I was given the task of handling their social media. एंड उस टाइम पे मुझे समझ आया, अच्छा सोशल मीडिया इतनी पावरफुल चीज हो सकती है. एंड आई लर्नड अबाउट इंस्टाग्राम, आई लर्नड अबाउट फेसबुक. देन देयर वाज वन मोर एनजीओ वेयर आई एम वर्किंग राइट नाउ, इन विच मुझे ऑपरेशन एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स के बारे में नहीं आता था कि कैसे एक चीज को दूसरी जगह तक पहुंचाना है, क्योंकि मैं तो एचआर पढ़ रहा था. बट वहां पे मुझे काम दिया गया, आई वाज गिवन द वर्क ऑफ द लॉजिस्टिक्स गाइड टू. सो ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम what I did was, हाँ यहाँ से प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है, यहाँ पे डिलीवर करना है, I had to note all of that. मुझे वो सबका ध्यान रखना पड़ता था. So now I know logistics too. And believe me, before getting into job, if I can get that, that's the advantage of internship. And that brings me to one more aspect of internship. Like Manish sir said, Manish sir ने कहा कि during his time of internship, he got to work on the ground. उन्होंने लेबरर्स के साथ काम किया, उन्होंने अलग अलग लेवल ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव्स के साथ काम किया. सो मे बी वी ऑल आर एनसीसी कैडेट्स. मनीष सर एनसीसी कैडेट हैं, विंध्या एनसीसी कैडेट है, मैं भी एनसीसी कैडेट हूँ. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, हमने एनसीसी में भी कुछ ना कुछ सीखा है जो हमें अभी भी इंटर्नशिप में काम आ रहा है. And I'm pretty sure Manish sir and Vindhya would agree. So Vindhya, what are the things, is भी नहीं क्योंकि NCC बहुत कुछ सिखाती है. So what are the things that NCC has taught you which you are still using on your job?
That's a great question. Yeah, something that is related.
So I was discussing.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I think it was some network issue, sir, I think. But now you're back. We're glad you're back. We're happy to have you back.
I was talking about employer's perspective towards internship. So I was telling about that as an employer, I will always be... Sorry,
I think there is a lag. So while you were disconnected, right? We were just discussing about our shared experience. हम तीन लोगों के जो shared experience है NCC में, कि वो कैसे काम आता है on the job, on the internship, right? So we were talking about what are the skills that we picked up during NCC, right? So I will quickly tell you. I've noted down 4 points that I want to tell you guys, right? Rather, the 4 skills that I would say that NCC helped me with. First thing is every NCC cadet will have to do some kind of a planning, right? So उनको हम सब लोग उनको prepare होना पड़ेगा before every camp, right? So we have to think about our sleeping situation. We have to carry bed sheets. We have to carry shoe polish, which is something I sometimes forgot, but I think that is very, very important. The skill of planning ahead, the forethought that you usually have when you're an NCC cadet, right? So that's one thing that definitely helped me in my workplace and while I did all those internships as well, right? So being prepared. Second thing I would say is adaptability. Just NCC mein humne we work with different kinds of people we like, people we don't like, people we don't care about. So we work with all kinds of people, right? So I think that is a great skill that NCC has taught all of us. I think me also working with superiors, working with your peers. So that is something that NCC has definitely told, instilled in us. And the third point is that keep we all the in NCC, let's face it, even though we all have that amazing camaraderie and we're all amazing friends, we make lifelong friends in NCC, but there is some amount of competition, right? क्योंकि 6 vacancies होती हैं और हम 60 cadets होते हैं, so not all of us get to do what we want to do. But I think that NCC has taught me how to deal with failures, because it is not it's not like a very ideal situation in every case, right? So even on the internship, when you do work with other people, there are other interns, and there is some amount of competition between the interns, right? As you might be the best of friends, but the offer letter to sirf ek person ko hi milega, right? So I think that is why that is something else that NCC has taught me. So what do you guys think? I'll reserve my last point for later. That's just not a point, but it's an additional kind of a thing. But yeah, what do you guys think?
I'll say 2-3 points as a candidate, as a cadet, that you know how to brazzo and bring a shine. Okay. So NCC cadet has that additional touch. They can bring a brazzo to their career because they have the discipline. They know how to get adjusted in any of the situation. You see? So they have the additional touch of accommodating themselves under one tent. So for an NCC cadet, always prepared with many of the attitudes, discipline, they can bring internship as a plus point to their career. Okay, so in one line, if I make a difference, then you are different and special than others. If you make a difference, then you are different and special to others. Okay, so keep this in mind.
Right. So like Vindhya ne kaha, sir ne kaha, we are talking about so much of learning. हमने कितना कुछ सीखा है NCC, and sharing my personal experience. जब it has happened, जब मैं एक interview में बैठा था for an internship, मैंने लिखा था कि मैंने NCC किया है 3 years, I have C certificate, and the first question that the interviewer asked me was, oh, so you are an NCC cadet, you're already very disciplined, why, like वो चाहते थे कि मैं उनकी कंपनी ज्वाइन करूं because I am an NCC cadet and I am disciplined. So I would say discipline हम सब NCC cadets में होता है, भर भर के होता है, because सुबह 4 बजे से रात तक परेड तो हमें करनी है, हमें शेड्यूल फॉलो करना है, so we know that. More than that, like Manish sir said, we know about dignity of labor, we respect everyone, हम सबकी इज्जत करते हैं बिकॉज हमने सब काम किए हुए हैं, सीनियर्स के जूते पॉलिश किए हुए हैं, टॉयलेट साफ किए हुए हैं, खाना खुद पकाया हुआ है, खाना खुद लेकर आए. सो एनसीसी कैडेट सब कर सकते हैं. सो या आई वुड जस्ट दैट वाज जस्ट अ सम अप टू व्हाट आप दोनों ने कहा. यस सर.
NCC cadet can lead from the front for the targets, and they have a habit of not complaining, just follow the instructions.
Right.
So this makes a very difference from other guys.
So when I'm listening to this from Manish sir, I have just one question that comes in my mind. एक क्वेश्चन जो मैं हमेशा पूछना चाहता था मेरे बॉस को, जो जिनके साथ मैं इंटर्नशिप कर रहा था. सर, जब हम इंटर्नशिप करते हैं, व्हाट इज द एम्प्लॉयर्स पर्सपेक्टिव टू इंटर्नशिप? बॉस क्या सोचते हैं इंटर्न्स के लिए, या इंटर्न से क्या चाहते हैं? इफ यू कैन शेयर.
Yeah, as an employer's perspective, I'll tell you, okay, I'll always see and keen to see the person who's doing internship, how he's following. I'll always keep an eye on him, his capability, his zeal to learn, to know more. whether how is his approach, because such candidate I can get without any support of any HR organization or advertisement. So they are the readily available to me. So I always keep an eye on them. Also, candidate according to me, such candidates are ready for my according to my organization environment. They have learned about the and fit to themselves in this environment. So I don't have to waste any more time and money in training them. So I don't have to take to them to for the probation period. I directly put on the work. So these are the additional things that I can get. So from an employer's point of view, yeah, ऐसे बंदे तो बहुत काम के हैं जो हमको readily मिल जाते हैं without wasting any time.
Yeah. So ऐसा कोई जो एडेप्टेबल हो, ऐसा कोई जो काम एक्सेप्ट कर ले, दैट वुड बी एडेड एडवांटेज. सो सर, कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता होगा कि द पर्सन हु कम्स डाउन फॉर इंटर्नशिप, यू आल्सो ऑफर हिम अ जॉब. आप उसे जॉब देते हो जो इंटर्नशिप के लिए आता है. तो सर, जब आप किसी को जॉब देते हैं, एन इंटर्न को, व्हेन यू गिव जॉब टू एन इंटर्न, why do you give that? Like, because he has been in your company or because he has been technically trained? So yes sir.
Rightly, he's technically trained. As I said, when you're going into practical field, no, practical life other than your college life, that's a theoretical part you learn in the college. Now you're coming to practical field, so there is always you're going to learn and you're inexperienced for your job. हमारे वहाँ जो आते हैं, first of all I have to put them on a probation period for a training period for 6 months or 1 year. So the internship candidates have already gained that thing. So now I don't have to put him on the training. You see? So I'm not wasting my time and money on him, because if he's in training period for a job, I have to pay to him. But internship candidates have trained themselves. So now I don't have to waste money. So the internship candidates are always fruitful for us.
Right. So just हम देख सकते हैं, हम वी आर जस्ट बीन टॉकिंग 30 मिनट के लिए, हम लास्ट 30 मिनट से बात कर रहे हैं, एंड हमने कितने सारे एस्पेक्ट्स मतलब कि कवर किए हैं इंटर्नशिप के बारे में. लाइक वी ब्रिंग इट डिसिप्लिन, लाइक बीइंग एन एनसीसी कैडेट, एन एम्प्लॉयर्स पर्सपेक्टिव, जो बोल रहे हैं कि एक इंटर्न जो ऑलरेडी उनके कंपनी में काम कर रहा है, इट्स एन एडेड एडवांटेज टू हिम. So that's amazing perspective that is coming in, different types of perspective. But that was something that we wanted to talk about. We have a lot many questions that are coming in from Facebook Airmeet, and I would ask you all that question, sir. And before that, you have people who are registered, like are from the Airmeet platform on laptop. You have a raise hand feature. So once we are starting the questions, you can raise your hand at a later stage when we ask, and you will be allowed in for a live question. जो लैपटॉप से लॉग इन है, आप रेज हैंड कर सकते हैं एंड वी विल लेट यू इन. आप वीडियो क्वेश्चन के लिए हमारे पैनल को मिल सकते हैं. सो दैट, बट बिफोर दैट, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव इज फॉर मनीष सर. मनीष सर, रतिभा है फेसबुक से, शी वांट्स टू आस्क, इज इंटर्नशिप डिवाइडेड इनटू स्टेप्स? क्या इंटर्नशिप अलग अलग स्टेप्स में डिवाइडेड होती है?
Yeah, you can divide into steps. It all depends on what your subject matter is. If you want to become a CA, then you have to start from a smaller steps of account, economics, and everything. So make your profile and your goal in your life, where you want to achieve, what you want to do. Then you can decide for the steps. Okay. If you become an astronaut, I'll tell you, then you can directly jump to the astronaut job internship. No issue. But there are some subjects where you require some smaller steps to be completed before going to your last step. Okay. So steps is always much better than going to the ultimate.
Right, sir. Then Vindhya, we have a question for you. So is there any code of conduct for doing an internship for interns of our age? Is there any code of conduct?
Right. So I think there's a lot to unpack with this question. But like I was mentioning, it depends on where you're doing your internship, right? But every organization has its own culture, has its own code of conduct, right? But I think as a general rule, what we all can follow is something again that we have learned from NCC, which is basically to learn as much as possible as soon as possible, and be as disciplined and follow the follow the instructions, basically, right? Because there is a reason our superiors, then there's a reason our employers, I don't want to call them superiors, but our employers are giving us the work, right? And there is a reason for doing that work. So once you understand the reason, it is much more easy to go with the flow. So I would say these 2 points are super important. And of course, like, even though we are not even though we don't wear a uniform to work, even though we don't have one particular uniform, it's a safe bet to go in a formal attire to any workplace that you're going, right? So I would say that those are the 3 things that you can keep in mind as a code of conduct when you're going for a job internship anywhere. I hope that answers whoever asked this question.
Even Manish sir, I would like to ask you. So, आपके कंपनी में अगर कोई इंटर्नशिप करने आता है, हमारे एज के कोई आता है, तो आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे? उसका क्या कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट रहे, या वो क्या फॉलो करे आपकी कंपनी में?
No, I'll always wish that the person be in a discipline, presentable. He must be efficient in managing the skills of the work. He should have a good coordination, cooperation. That's the simple things that every candidate should follow.
So if we see Manish sir, who is an employer, just expects discipline hona chahiye. He should come in with a little bit of openness, and then Vindhya says that we need to learn. We have to have that learning experience, learning mind. We need to talk to everyone. We need to network that way. So that would be good. So we have a different perspective. हम दो यहाँ पे 2 perspective मिल रहे हैं हमें. We have a question for you, Manish sir. Where can we find internship for any field? That's a question coming from Twaharth on Airmeet. So
You don't have to find that. Actually, you should know your field, what subject you are, and what is the open market for that. You should always consult your professional mentors for this. They will give you a right line and decision where you can find your internship. Okay, it is not in the any newspaper or anywhere you can find that this company offering internship. You have to find yourself, but you should know your subject very well, and please be in your touch of professor or mentors for that.
Hey, so I think that I think a great place to network and connect is just being an NCC cadet, right? Because I have met people from different walks of life, from people from various different backgrounds have come into NCC, right? So, and if you go out and not just in your college, but if you just go out a little bit more, you will be able to find people that that you think that you and them think alike, and I think NCC itself, I think there was also a question that said NCC के through internships मिल सकते हैं. I absolutely believe मिल सकते हैं, क्योंकि if you know how to talk, I mean, if you know who to talk to, if you maintain this relationship with everybody in NCC itself, that's a great platform. So just to add a little bit more, if you know what field you're looking for, there are online portals that will help you land internships as well, right? So you can check out something called Internshala. That is a website that puts you in touch with employers who are looking for interns. So that is something you can try out. But I mean, obviously, face-to-face meet karna is the best way to land an internship. But I think that also is a helpful platform.
Thank you, Vindhya. So यस, जैसे मनीष सर ने कहा, अपने मेंटोर को पूछ सकते हैं, आपके सीनियर्स जो कॉलेज में हैं, स्कूल एनसीसी में है, मे बी आप उन्हें पूछ सकते हैं कि सर आपने इंटर्नशिप कहाँ किया, आपको कैसा एक्सपीरियंस लगा, एंड देन फ्रॉम दैट एक्सपीरियंस आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. मे बी यू कैन आस्क योर टीचर कि सर आप ही सजेस्ट कर दो, मे बी यू विल हैव समवन in your contact, so that way you can get an internship. And then like Vindhya said, you can go to internshala, you can register yourself, and then maybe you can get an internship through that too. So there are various ways, but what you need to do is know your field and know what you want to do doing internship. Yes, Manish sir, you wanted to say something.
It is always better to explore yourself only. Take a guidance from the profession mentor, but don't be get reference internships. That will not prove a good exposure to you, because in references what happens कि आपको कभी क्या कभी किसी के रेफरेंस आया, चलो इसको करवा दो, इसको ले लो, you don't get that attention in the work what you want to do in your field. शायद वो नहीं हो सकता है. So it is always better to explore yourself and show your means आप अपना खुद बताओ कि interest to any of the organization. I am interested in working with you. So that creates a lot much difference. Okay. So don't let me reference internship. Explore yourselves.
Hey Sahil, you're on mute.
Hey, sorry. So yeah, like Manish sir said, खुद के बल पे इंटर्नशिप ढूंढो एंड ट्राई करो एक्सप्लोर करने का कि आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हो, क्या करना चाहते हो. So yes, we'll continue the questions that we are getting on Facebook and Airmeet, and you can raise your hand again. We'll let you in. If anyone else, आप में से कोई live आके question पूछना चाहता है, you can ask questions. We'll let you in. So there's a question for Vindhya. Vindhya, we have a group. हमारा दोस्तों का एक ग्रुप है, तो हमें एक साथ इंटर्नशिप करनी चाहिए, हमें मिल जाएगी कहीं पे एक साथ इंटर्नशिप. So what do you think about it?
Okay, that's a very interesting question. I would say कि क्या आप सबके इंटरेस्ट एक ही फील्ड में है? Are you all interested to become the same thing? Are you all interested to become, I don't know, let's say a chef? Are you all looking for the same career option? If so, then you could separately apply to the same company, but obviously कोई guarantee नहीं दे सकता कि you will all get in, right? So but I would say that college में लगता है कि यार हम अपने friends के साथ ही काम करें तो इतना मजा आएगा, इतना like it'll be so much fun if we do work with our friends. But anybody who has done a group assignment knows that that is not true, right? So I would like to say that go out there, look at other options, look at different avenues that you would want to explore individually. Because even though you're doing the same course, I did English in my undergraduation, English honors from Bangalore. And even though we all were doing English, each one of us in my friend group wanted to do something different, something completely different. So one of us wanted to do linguistics, one of us wanted to do social work, somebody else wanted to get into teaching and academia. So I'm sure that not all of you have the same interests, right? So I would say look at other options. You definitely get to spend time with each other in college and after college anyway. So yeah, so that would be my answer. Ki if you all have the same aspiration, then you can apply and you can take your chances. But otherwise, I don't know of any company that offers group internships. If there's, I don't know if something like that exists, right? So yeah, that is something I would like to say to this question. It's a very interesting question, though.
Right. So, Manish sir, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? एक साथ
rightly said by Vindhya. Very true. Look, ये होता है जनरली, कॉलेज से बाहर निकलते ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स होते हैं. They will try to be in touch with each other. तो एक जन जाएगा तो दूसरा भी बोल के मैं भी वहां जाऊं. So that's not true, because everybody is their own specialization, likings and expertise. So you should not follow that thing. Friends के लिए slot अलग रखी life में. I'll tell you one thing, that make 24 hours in three slots. 8 hours, 3 slots. 8 hours sleep, 8 hours for friends and family. 8 hours for work, dedicatedly. So don't follow your friends or don't be in a group where one has एक जन जाता है तो हमें भी वहां जाऊंगा. No, because your likings and your future is different than the other one. Maybe the line is the one, but the subject matter may be different. So don't follow that thing.
Right. Hey, so that is again an amazing point. I'm going to do that. I'm going to make sure मैं ध्यान रखूंगा कि मैं अपना दिन 24 hours 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ. Which brings us to another interesting question जो लोग मैंने अभी तक देखा नहीं है, but a very amazing perspective to it. मनीष सर के लिए, सर 12th के बाद इंटर्नशिप कर सकते हैं क्या?
You can do internship at any level, but the difference is that your whatever the subject matter is after 12, what you will do at a limited job, whatever you develop your skill, you to develop many, you can develop many things by internship. It's not that working is only the internship. Okay, I'll give my example that after every vacation of 10th, 11th, or 12th, I used to go to any of the mechanical shop, any of the fabrication shop to learn. So this is a kind of internship to develop yourself. So it's there's no age limit or any age, bar of the in which standard you are. Okay, it is up to the individual's likings and interest.
Right. We can try to get in Pulkiv again. Like Pulkiv has raised hand, so maybe we can have his question. Vindhya, किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा कि if we do an internship and हमें एक ही काम करवाते हैं, let's say data entry, would that help me in future? What do you think?
Right. So I think we were talking about how internships leads to jobs, and if it's just data entry, how will that help? I think that to make a product or a service successful, right? Every bit, like every part in the assembly line is super important, right? क्योंकि हमको पता होना चाहिए कि so even in data entry, like I'll just give you an example instead of going round and round. I work in an educational startup, right? So we deal with a lot of schools. तो हम schools में एक Olympiad test किया था हमने, जिससे हमने data collect किया था for of all the students in that particular school, right? So and I ended up doing this data entry work, I think once, not many times, but once. But what that taught me is that there are so many students who fall under the, so the test was out of 20. So there are so many students who fall under the range of 15 to 20 in that particular class. Okay, so when I went back to creating content for that class, कि कैसे questions पूछना चाहिए, क्या difficulty level होनी चाहिए, I got lot more insights into doing that work. Okay, so even doing something as mundane and seemingly boring as data entry, there are advantages to it. You might be able to analyze that data that you're entering while you're doing. So that would be my answer. So no particular part, no particular job is unimportant. It might be boring because I won't say that everything is interesting. Some aspects of the job might be, but there's definitely something that you can take away from it. There's always learning that can happen in the most mundane of jobs.
I would just like to add to what Vindhya said. Like when I did my first internship, for one month straight, I had to do data entry work. I had to do login work. Old पुरानी फाइल्स को लेके उसे कंप्यूटर में टाइप करना था बस. एंड उस टाइम पे एट दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई थॉट दैट मुझसे ये क्यों करवा रहे हैं, मैं ये क्यों करूं, मैं तो यहाँ पे कुछ सीखने आया हूं. बट just fast forwarding it 1 year down the line, when I'm doing my masters, I have to type a lot, like a lot. Every week I have submissions to make, I have reports to make, and I thank that company because मैंने इतना type किया था that my typing speed has improved. So at the end of the day, हम कुछ ना कुछ जो भी सीखें कहीं ना कहीं काम आ जाता है. Whatever we learn, whenever we learn, is useful somewhere or the other. So learning never goes in fail. कुछ भी सीखना कभी भी बिना काम का नहीं जाता. So yeah. So Pulkiv, who couldn't connect, has sent a question. So the question is interesting one. I want Manish sir, that's a question for you. Sir, अगर मेरे academics में अच्छे marks नहीं हैं, like I am a low scorer, जैसे मैं था, I scored 50 to 60 के बीच में, so मुझे internship मिलेगी क्या?
Always, why not? I'd say I told you that the employer doesn't see that you as a employee. Okay, you are coming there for learning, so nobody will restrict you for learning because they don't have any interest in you. So it doesn't depend on your whatever marks. आपको क्या marks मिलता है, कितना मिलता है, it doesn't matter for any employer. Okay, but then you have to make difference by after going there. Okay, if you want something much more beneficial from that, then you have to make difference. But initially marks doesn't, I don't think so marks कहीं पे आपको पीछे रखता है कि कहीं पे hindrance बनता है आपके उसमें. No way.
Right, sir. So giving my own example, when I was in school, I didn't score that well. In my college, I'm an average student. But like Manish sir ने कहा, जब हम internship में होते हैं, we have to prove ourselves. क्योंकि वहाँ पे that's the practical ground. ये ऐसी बात हो गई कि we are on NCC ground. हमने सलामी शस्त्र अच्छे से सीख लिया, but on ground जाके हमने राइफल गिरा दी. तो ऑन ग्राउंड हमें राइफल पकड़े रखनी है और सलामी अच्छे से देनी है. दैट इज व्हाट मनीष सर वांटेड टू से. सो दैट इज अबाउट इट. सो एनीवन ऑफ यू हु वांट टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन एंड आर ऑन लैपटॉप, अगर आप लैपटॉप पे हैं, यू कैन रेज योर हैंड एंड वील लेट यू इन. सो या यू कैन रेज योर हैंड. सो वन मोर क्वेश्चन इज फॉर मनीष सर. जो इंटर्नशिप से पहले इंटरव्यू होता है, हाउ शुड वी अटेंड दैट? हम उस इंटरव्यू को कैसे अटेंड करें? सो मे बी द क्वेश्चन इज, इंटरव्यू जो होता है इंटर्नशिप से पहले, हाउ कैन आई बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट?
You mean to say the interview for internship?
Yes, sir.
No, that is very rarely in any of the company that you going for interview for internship.
I guess Manish sir dropped off. So
Yeah.
what do you think? How should you go about the interview?
Yeah, absolutely. So interview, like Manisha was mentioning, a few companies do take interview before they take you on board for an internship, right? So they ask you questions like, why do you want to do an internship with us? Why our company, right? So to answer questions like those, I would say, and to prepare for the interview in general, I would say research as much as possible about the field that you're applying for, right? For which particular like job profile you're applying for, कि उसमें क्या responsibilities होती हैं. Try and take a stock of that, and also about the company, right? And I think the research part of it applies if you like whenever you want to choose a company also, right? So look at the company, look at the kind of work they are doing, and if you think you can add value to that, and if you think you have you want to work in that particular field for whatever they're doing, then I would say that will be all the research that you need. All the preparation that you need to attend the interview. Say Manish sir is back. Maybe he would like to take over.
Yeah, internet issues. So where we are, Sahil, again? Interview.
Yes, sir. We were on the same question. Like जो internship से question, internship के पहले interview होते हैं, उसे कैसे handle करें?
Actually, you should be. I'll tell you कि interview कहीं पर भी हो, not for internship, anywhere. You should be confident and please be what you are. Don't try to overreact or show something else that you will do so and so and I'll do so and so. Don't, because इससे क्या होता है, सामने वाले का एक तो image में सामने वाला person जो होता है, he knows everything. Okay, उन्होंने काफी employees को देख चुके हैं, पानी नाप चुके हैं. So don't try to show something that employer doesn't know. Be cool, whatever you know, and be very true. When employer like us, I'll tell you, see, quality is the person and how true he is and how much inclination he is towards the work. Is he ready to work anything? So I think, according to me, not much to be prepared. Be in yourself and be true for the interview.
Right. So we have we'll take one last question maybe from Ram Thakur. Ram Thakur, the one who was trying to connect in the live session. So Ram Thakur का question ये है कि should I take PCM, PCB, should I take commerce, should I take arts to join the army? So it's thoda sa out of the way question, but maybe if with your yeah.
I think you are the best person, Sahil, to answer that question. Amongst the three of us, I think you are the best person to answer that question. So please go ahead.
Okay, so in my opinion, if you want to take PCM, if you are good with maths, you want to take maths, do that. If you are good with biology, you want to do biology, do that. Because when you are joining the armed forces, you have a wide spectrum. You can join in as a doctor, you can join in as an engineer, you can join in as a commerce person, you can do arts and still join. So do what you like. You know, if you are excelling in that field, army will take you, you'll get through. But yeah, first you should know what you like and do that. So that was an amazing round of interaction. So many questions, and we have many questions pending too, but we have time constraint. So yeah, I would like to know your closing thoughts. Like how would you like to conclude that? What do you think? If you want to conclude in one line, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे about internships?
Okay, I'll go first. So I think about internships is basically it's never too early to start doing internships because it's never too early to start planning your career, right? And the second thing is do some introspection while you're still in college about what kind of career, what kind of internships you would like to take. So that's pretty much it. 2 points from my side.
I'll tell you, intensive. Best part of it that there's no pressure of work on you. Enjoy the internship. Okay, and with that, internship is in turn you sail your ship. Keep in mind that. So enjoy the internship. Please be ready for the internship. Do it internship as and when you get the chance. Okay. So very best of luck to all the cadets for their future.
Thank you, sir. And I would just like to add to Vindhya and Manish, sir, when we look for internship, we should be open, like open to network. Logo se baat karo, milo, connect karo, be confident, like Manish sir said. Try to learn something, like Vindhya said. Try to bring out your own self. Try to know aap kya pasand karte ho, and that's what internship would help you with. So thank you for being an amazing audience. So we do webinars every alternate Sunday, and the next webinar that we are going to do is, are you the next entrepreneur? If you can see my screen. Yeah, are you the next entrepreneur? That's a very good topic to talk on because we all want to get into make our own company. So we'll talk about that on 6 September, 6:30 p.m. Those who are on AirMeet, please fill the feedback and you'll get a certificate. This feedback is from the Expa Cadet app. You have to download the Expa Cadet app if you haven't done it still. If you have done, kudos. So looking forward to more interactive sessions. Please fill back the feedback and you'll receive your certificates. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and our app too. And this video will be available soon on YouTube. So if you have missed any aspect of it or you want to go back and see, आपको अगर ये वीडियो वापस देखना है, ये वेबिनार वापस देखना है, आप YouTube पे जाके इसे देख सकते हैं. So thank you for being an amazing audience. Thank you, Manish sir. Thank you, Vindhya, for imparting us the knowledge you have. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good day. Enjoy your Sunday.